Hi, I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Many of you know that I've moved here recently, well, about 3 months ago now. I'm just now getting settled in and getting caught back up on my videos, and got a big project here. Also, got a new tool here, the Ryobi Cordless, let's see here, 12-volt rotary tool, model number TVM01. And I'm going to figure out a project to do with this cordless rotary tool and this Massey 240 tractor. So let me go back inside in the up under the porch. Got a heat index of 105 today. Right now the temperature is around 94 or so. So let me get rearranged. We're going to go over this Ryobi rotary tool TVM01. Appreciate you watching. Okay, here we go. I have already opened this box and looked at it and already charged it, so I already know what it looks like, but maybe you don't. So here we go. Quick-Change chuck, 3 attachments and 35 accessories. And I forgot what I paid for this thing, but I don't plan on taking it back, so it doesn't really matter right now. Let's fold this up right here. Drop that aside. Let's see here. Here we go. Okay, nice heavy-duty plastic case, not like some of these imported rotary tool models that are on the market today. Here's the instruction manual, owner's manual, operator's manual, whatever you want to call it. Here's the tool itself. Let's go ahead and take that out and move it to the side. Here's a box full of accessories. Here's 1, 2, 3 accessories and the charging cord. Now this charging cord is short, it's only like 3 feet long, but it is USB on one side and USB-C on the other side. There we go. Hopefully that's showing up pretty good. 3 accessories. Also in here you have another lock nut, and I'll show you that in just a few minutes. Okay, here's one. Most people use this like a router. So what you do is, let me go ahead and take this off, and unscrew this also, take that completely off, and this will just screw onto there like so, and you can use this just like a router. We'll go over that in another video. Here we have this, which is a sharpener for like your lawnmower. Let's put it right here, might be easier to see. Sharpener for like your lawnmower blades, your shovels, just whatever you might want to need to put a 22.5 degree edge on. I believe that's 22.5. It might say in the manual, but I'm just going to say that. And the way you use that is, if you have, let's just say this is a saw blade, just put it in like this. Let's see, let's go this way. Put it in, there we go. Then just run your blade like this around the cutting edge of one of this one right here. So this will be mounted in here, and we're going to do a video on that one also. So this little cover here, we're just going to get rid of that. We don't need that anymore. Okay, and now the third thing we have over here is this, which to me, it only has a very few uses, because when you put it like this, there's no window right here. You can see the bit. Can't really follow what you're doing very well. But there's a couple of uses for this. We're going to go over this in another video, just like the other accessories. So here we have this. We have a wax for polishing, sanding drums and mandrels, cut-off wheels, odds and ends stuff in here. Let's see if we have a drill bit down in here. We'll need that wrench. There is a drill bit right here. Good, which is what I was looking for. So since this is just a brief description of this tool and not really making a project, I'm going to show you this drill bit and just the weight of the tool, if it is strong enough to do a decent drilling job. And I am going to, here we go. I'm going to use this lock nut, and there's it's on the tip of my tongue. Anyway, we're going to use that to hold that on there. If you saw my last video, these wrenchless quick change chucks, I don't like these at all. So I'm not even going to talk about that. I'm going to do a separate video on these and show you exactly why I don't like these. So, got this set up. Let's put this back on here. That's the thumb guard, finger guard. Let's load up the drill bit. What I do with it, I dropped it somewhere down here. Here it is. Just going to put that in there like that. Hold down this lock pin, tighten that up by finger all the way down. We're going to get this wrench and snug it up just like that. Let's move these out of the way. Like I said, I already opened this up and looked at it and charged it. So, overall view of the tool. Nice rubber molded over mold grip handle, top and bottom, so that's good. I like that. Lock nut for locking this lock nut right here, so you can change the bits. Thumb guard, finger guard. We have the on and off switch. Speed control. It's on 1 right now. Goes up to 5. Let's see this. And at least, okay, right here we got 4 air outlets. And 1 right here also for air, clean out the motor. 2 right here at the top. Pretty comfortable. I don't know how much this weighs, but it's pretty comfortable. It's a lot more comfortable by feel than the other 2 Ryobi rotary tools that I have. I think this is going to be pretty comfortable to use. Okay, right back here is the charging port for the USB. For the Type C to USB. Now it does not come with a wall port of this. All it comes with the cable. So I'm a little disappointed over that with. Has this little page right here. Quick change to tighten. Twist until the clicking stops. But like I said, I don't like that quick change. And we're going to go over that later. So, how much power does this have? Let me peel back this towel right here. I have this workbench. And I have a piece of walnut right here. So, I'm just going to turn this on 3. I'm going to hold it with my finger like this on this hanging hook. And well, first I'm going to get it started. Make a little starter hole. Then by just using the weight of the tool alone, I'm going to see how it cuts in here. Nice piece of walnut. Now this drill bit isn't long enough to go all the way through, but we're going to do what we can. Check the power on this thing. So give it a little. There we go. See where I got that started? Now just the weight of the tool. Let's see what it does. That's pretty impressive. Go this way. Huh. Let's take it up to number 5. See what happens. In, down to number 1. Of course, it's taking a little bit longer on this speed, but it's still going in. There we go. Anyway, that's just the basics of this. Ryobi 12 volt rechargeable RRT TV. What is it? TVM01. There's no RRT in this one, just TVM01. So, got any good suggestions what I can do with the tractor down there? I got an idea, but I'm going to try this a few more times in a couple of projects, and we're going to make a video doing something with the tractor. If you got one of these, let us know how you like yours. And stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.